it is a dignified thing to be a man of responsibility. And I think today in our generation, we're facing a crisis, like literally a crisis. Why would a man expect that others should work for him and he should benefit out of other people's hustle? Like, where is the sense in that? Why should we be the kinds of people who are depending on others for our well-being? I'm of the view that as a man, it is truly a dignifying thing when you hustle, when you go and face the world and make ends meet. And I think our culture today needs to have a complete overhaul, because it makes no sense for me. I'm still struggling with this thought that other people can go and work as hard and you just get to sit down like I'm sitting right now, and I get to benefit from it. I'm speaking from an example of a country where I'm living, where young people have literally lost interest in what it means to go and work. It's easier that someone sits at their home and wait for the government to come and bail them out. Well, unlike countries like the US or Canada maybe, where you really have to hustle it out, here in Germany, it's almost a normal thing that young people literally have no interest going to work, because they know at the end of the day, if I work or I don't work, I'm still going to get almost the same amount of money as someone who is working, because the government literally cares that much. But the Bible says, he who doesn't work ought not to eat. Paraphrase, so to say. Yeah. Paul says, it is good that man should work. In fact, he was a tent maker, and he had other things that he was doing on top of his ministry work, but he chose not to be a burden to any other man. So, man, let's reconsider, regardless of how the world pictures what work looks like. I mean, I can understand it when someone says the kind of work I'm doing is maybe degrading, but it being degrading doesn't mean that it's not rewarding. I think I would prefer when someone says, I'm getting a living out of the nastiest kind of work, compared to just sitting there and folding my hands. Like, this thought is crazy in my head, you know? And then I think we had a guy say, get up and work. Let's go and work. Let's make ends meet. Let's take care of our families, because it makes a whole difference. And if you're Christian, oh boy, the more hardworking you ought to be, because it is a gift that God has given you to take care of yourself and those that look up to you, like your children or your parents or your siblings. Yeah. Let's go to work.